Hello everybody! It's time for night-night. Monkey's playing in her tunnel. Yes. You playing? Sammy's playing with Bob. I just got down here. We just had a pre-birthday party for me. How adorable is that? Look what my parents got me. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that balloon. And look at what my brother got me. He got me 2 piggy t-shirts. Look at that. How cool is that? Oh my god, I love them. I love these t-shirts. Yes. So it was a little piggy theme party. Are you having fun, Miss Monkey? Where's your partner in crime? Where is she? I saw her go under here. Is she there? Yep, there's Cleo. There's Cleo. Let's go see baby to say goodnight. I have some apples. Let's see if he wants an apple. Uh-oh. Oh no, Buttons. Okay. Buttons all the way up there. Baby. Baby. Would you like an apple? You want... Calm down. Calm down. Apple. You threw it. You threw it. Do you want an apple? You want an apple? Here. You want an apple? What is that? You see? Why are you being so crazy? Can you say hello? Can you say hi to everyone? Apple. Say hi. Apple. Yeah, Apple, you threw them on the floor. You threw them on the floor. You want it? Eat. Stop. Eat it. Thank you. Apple? Yes, that's an apple. And you eat it. There you go. Now you happy? Maybe you weren't sure what it was. What is that? What is that? Is that an apple? Would you guys like an apple too? 1 second. Here. Here, guys. You want an apple? Want an apple? I'll get you one, Rio. I'll get you an apple, Rio. Here, honey. Here. No, you don't have to steal hers. Here, 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 here. Here, here, here. An apple. Eat it. Eat it. Yes, apple. Is that an apple? What is that, RJ? What is that? What are you eating? What are you eating? RJ, is that an apple? 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 You're saying it too? Say apple? Apple? Apple, right. Can you say apple, Rio? Can you say apple? Apple, apple? Apple, apple, apple. Everyone said apples. Why are you fighting? Now you made Rio drop the apple. Here. Whoops, here, Rio. Stop it. Stop. Where's yours? Did you drop yours? Why are you being so hateful? Now you dropped yours. Now everyone dropped their apple. Now what? Now what? Is that good, babe? Is that good? Is that good for you? You want another piece? You want another piece? You're doing really good with it. You want one more? You want one more? Why would you throw it? Baby! Eat it! No! Eat it! Baby! What are you doing? Why? Just why? Here! No, eat it. Eat it. Oh my god. Alright, that's it. No more. No more apple. No more apple. That's it. No more apple. You guys want this apple? Let me get it for you. Here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, Rio. Here, you want it? No, you dropped it. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Here. You want it or no? If you don't want to, give it to me. You don't want it. See, they don't really want it. They're just like saying it. Here, you want apple? You want apple? Button? No. You want more? You want it? You want it? See, you drop it. And then it just makes a mess. That's all. All right, no more apples. No more apples. Can you say goodnight to everyone? Can you say night-night? Say night-night. Say bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Now we'll go say goodnight with Sammy. Hello, Tequila and Golda. Hello. I know, baby. I know. Oh. Crazy, crazy. All right, guys. Very relaxing night-night video. Say night-night, Sammy. Say night-night, everybody. I love you. Are you having fun, monkey? You love your tunnel? You love your tunnel? Run through the tunnel, monkey. Run through. Good. Good, monkey. Go. Go in the tunnel. I see you. I see you. You're like a little kitten. Hello, Cleo. Hello, Cleo. Monkey's running away from her. Go ahead, chase each other. Come on. Yeah, monkey. Do it. Do it. Do it, monkey. Where are you? Monkey, you're very silly. You're under the tunnel. You're under the tunnel. You want to stay under it? Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are a silly willy girl. What are you doing, Cleo? You hanging out on your bag? Hmm? What are you doing, Sam? You moving my furniture? Sammy, Sammy, come on. We have to say goodnight. Come here. Come here, Sam. We got to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. I had to add this onto the video because Monkey was being so cute. Sammy, stop moving my furniture, honey. Honey. Monkey, where are you? Where are you? Monkey. Where are you? There you are. You're silly. All right, guys. We love you. Night-night. Night-night. Say night-night, Sammy. Sammy, look up here. Thank you.